All right, so for more on this, let's bring in Laura Rippy, managing partner at Alumni Ventures. Laura, you do this for a living. Good to see you as well. Wish you were on set like you normally are. What do you make of SpaceX? Why does it matter so much? Why are we so captivated by this company?
We are, aren't we? It's a big day, Brian. Yeah, I think the venture perspective on this is the unlock that comes after SpaceX, right? We've got incredible talent within the company. We've got a whole bunch of capital that gets unlocked once the IPO happens. And then a whole slew of new companies can be formed. So for us, it's looking around the corner and understanding where the space economy can go and how this is just an incredible unlock for the venture industry. We couldn't be more excited.
How? Connect the dots. Why does this one matter so much for the venture industry? Because there's this Elon Musk guy that when he gets involved in things, it tends to generate more attention, but does it seep through to the 99.9% of the market that's not Elon Musk?
Yeah. So let's put this in context of what happened when AWS dropped the cost of hosting by 97%. Suddenly we had a whole boatload of companies like DoorDash and Airbnb and the like because hosting costs cut down. In the same way with SpaceX, the value that SpaceX has brought to the space industry is reducing the cost of getting loads from the Earth to low Earth orbit. So that suddenly says we can do things like manufacture in space. We need the communications for space. We have an entire defense opportunity in the space world. We have logistics that need to happen, moving things around. All of those companies, future incredible venture-backed superstars that get unlocked because SpaceX has a position in the space economy to really grow it. And with this new capital, it is an exciting moment in time for the space economy.
So you must see a bunch of companies that we don't get to see, smaller startup private companies you guys invest in Alumni Ventures. Okay. I hate to use the term halo around a space company, but I have to do it because I don't know what else to do, so it's not a dad joke. But how big is the SpaceX halo then for other companies?
It's very large. So last year there was $55 billion of venture capital that went into space economy companies. Great example. We've done a lot of this, right? Varda, Axiom, Northwood, Hawkeye. The one that I would highlight is Impulse Space because it really speaks to the fact that there is talent and there is also capital that gets released. So Impulse Space, the founder is the first employee at SpaceX. Tom Mueller, he was literally Elon Musk's first hire. The president and chief operating officer was the number 13 employee. So the classic example of talent that leaves SpaceX and starts something else. Now, we've been backing Impulse Space since the A, we're in the B, we're in the C. They just did a D, a $500 million D. And the lead investor was a venture capital firm that has a very significant early position in SpaceX, a $10 billion value position right now. They just raised a big round, and now they're backing Impulse Space as the heir to the SpaceX future, because what Impulse Space does is really pick up where SpaceX leaves off. SpaceX takes loads from the Earth to low Earth orbit, and Impulse Space moves those loads more broadly into GEO, into the further space. So really tied together with talent and capital. It's emblematic of what we're going to see in the space economy with this IPO. Could not be more excited.